So I understand that one of the major products you are managing now is called Cumulus CI, right?
Yes. When I was hired, our we were basically building out a product delivery team to start really developing the NPSP. When I started, Salesforce DX didn't exist, and all the instructions were go use the Force.com Ant migration tool, use Jenkins to run your builds. And we did hack together a bunch of Ant scripts, and those lived in our GitHub repository. And then as I started talking to people about the process that we had developed, other ISVs, and even teams at Salesforce became interested in uh, using our scripts. And then about 6 months later, I would start getting requests from people. At the time, it was just go out and copy our Ant scripts from the repository, and this library directory, whatever, pull it into your project. But the problem is 6 months later, they'd come back to me and say, "Hey, I'm hitting this bug." And we had already fixed that bug in our build scripts, but they had just copied our scripts. So there was no product really about it. And we tried to make that something that's a little bit more shared or kind of packaged in an Ant world, but Ant is not a programming language. And with my background being in Python, about 3.5 years ago, we decided to rebuild all of those procedurally designed, like build scripts, and actually build a framework in Python that allowed us to easily configure all the project specific type of automation that each project needs. Things like after you install the managed package, you want to do some unmanaged configuration in the org to get the environment set up. Um, and that was kind of the genesis of CumulusCI. So CumulusCI I describe as a framework for portable automation for Salesforce projects.